Hey guys, so touchdown, nandito na po kami sa Terminal 2 going to Boracay. Isang ano lang yan, isang counter. Okay, sir. Okay na. Hi guys, so we're going to Katiklan, Boracay. Kasama ng aking mga co-teachers. Lahat ng mga kasama din natin ang 6 cycle line. Philippine Airlines. Hi, so papasok na kami. Ayan si Visa. Thank you. Pasok.
Lahat, buong puso po namin kayo tinatanggap dito sa PR2P 2035 patungong Katiklan. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, mabuhay milers on board. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus 320. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle, and pull. To unfasten, lift double buckle, pull free end to release. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the 2 inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push them inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when a battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your personal face mask and immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Bend for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pockets in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure your seatbelts are securely
So we're ganyan then. Me? Obsessed with you? Forever long. I wanna be forever young. Background ako talaga para hindi makapiright.
Patay, ang lahat.
Ilabas. Yate.
Matuto na ako ni Pingley.
Pareho tayo do. So, na kumain ng barbecue.
Dito ba tayo? Dito ba tayo?
Nicole. Masyado mata. Ayan, dito na po kami. Traveling.
Ito yung drive.
Tuwan tayo, mama. Tuwan,
Ay,
mama.
tatluhan po. Tama na ako sa inyo.
Pagtuhan. Ayan, punta na po kami sa Ivan.
Akin namin, sa maghahawak, i-rail mo yung camera. Dali, tapos magsalita ka.
Hindi, sabi mo kasi ano eh.
Ano ba, nasalita ka na dun.
Let's go! Nagkaya ako. Punta na tayo dito sa Libat na tayo. Pupunta tayo sa Pasio Hotel. Pasio. Let's go. Sabi natin si Miss Bugatti. Ayan, sexy. Ayan, ang pasok na. Okay na yan? Okay, may cameraman ako. And dito na po tayo sa Boy, na vlogger ka na rin.
Ako tagahawak ng video ni Miss Angel.
Hi! Andito po tayo sa Boracay. Hi guys! Andito po tayo sa Boracay Island. Ang lakas ng alon. Alon. Laki ng alon. Ayan. Napakaganda ng ano, ng dagat.
Very good naman ang burger ng Army Navy dito.
Burger. Libre mo. Me? Obsessed with you? Forever young. Pula na pala ako parang. Ayan, so we have Mira, Mirazol Azuma. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another pose. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another pose, harap dito. Another pose. Go pa, another pose. Wag yan, sa Boracay na tayo, ibang pose naman. Sige, yung pina-Boracay pose. Yan ang Boracay pose ni Mira. Okay, so another pose pa, yung ano, nasa beach. Nasa ano, baybaying dagat pose. Baybaying dagat pose ni Mira. Okay, thank you for coming, Mira. Hey guys! So, andito kami sa ilalim ng dagat. sa Dalampasigan. Medyo may makikita kayo dito mga dahon-dahon. Ayan, kasi malakas po yung alon. Yan, kaya we are not expecting na masyadong malinis. Pero dahon lang yan. Ayun. Napakalamig kasi umuulan po. Ayan, video. Ayan. So, pipicturein ko muna sila. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan po. Isa pa, solo. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa, another pose. 1, 2, 3, smile. Lapit na pose. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another pose.
Kunyari yung naglalakad.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, smile. Huwag ka masyado maglakad.
Ano ba? Laging nasa video.
Evening guys. So, nightlife po dito po sa Boracay Island. Abing dagat. Ang lamig.